If you are looking for amazing, clean, fresh toilet bowl and fresh smelling bathroom, you would want to use Pine Sol Lemon Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner. What is Lemon Fresh Pine Sol Multi-Surface Cleaner? Do Pine Sol Multi-Surface Cleaner works best? Let's take a look and see the uses of this cleaning product. This is the Pine Sol Lemon Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner. Its 4 times cleaning action includes cut-through grease and also deodorized. So for heavy cleaning and light touch-ups, these are the things that you can use it for. For dirt and grime, you clean messes on floors around the house, including hardwood. So you just dilute, then mop. For cleaning stains and odors, clean and deodorize the toilet. You just pour half cup into bowl and brush, and then flush, and that will be that. For cleaning grease and spills, it cleans, shines, and deodorizes countertops. All you have to do is pour into sponge, wipe, then rinse with water. For soap scums for your bathtubs and also shower, it removes light soap scum and grime. Just wet a rag, sponge, scrub, then rinse with water. Clean dirt and grime, cleans messes on the floor around the house, including hardwood floors. So all you have to do is just dilute and mop. For heavy duty, use full strength and rinse immediately. So not recommended for use full strength on copper or aluminum. Painted surfaces, test a small area first. So using this, you just have to do it with mindfulness. To use around the house as a general cleaning, use 4 cups per gallon of water, usually no rinsing required. So you can use it, do this mixture, and then you don't need to even rinse at all. And then it also comes with caution: eye irritation, do not get into eyes. For sensitive skin or prolonged use, wear rubber gloves. First aid: eyes. Immediately rinse with water for 15 minutes. If irritation persists, call a doctor. If swallowed, drink a glass of water, call a doctor or a poisonous control center. And also keep out of reach of children and pets. The ingredient that it contains: water, peg. All the things that it contains is right on the top here. So this is a 4 times cleaning action Pine Sol Lemon Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner. This is 48 ounce or 1.5 quarts or 1.41 liters. Looking at it, it looks a little concentrate, but it's also liquidy. If you can use this as it's recommended, read all the cautionary aspects before using it. It will be very, very helpful. Remember that on wood surfaces, do not allow puddles of cleaner to remain. Not recommended for use on unfinished, sealed, painted, waxed, oil or worn flooring. Test a small area first before using it. That you've known how to use a Pine Sol Lemon Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner, you'll be able to use it to clean dirt and grime, clean stains and odors, to clean grease and spills for your bathroom, toilet bowls, for your bathtub, for your showers. And it's also good for general cleaning, which it doesn't need rinsing, doing the right measurements, and you have a multi-purpose cleaner. These are the uses. So if this has been any helpful to you, subscribe to the channel, leave any comments in the section for me. Now the question is, how do you use this? How can I use this effectively? Let me show you right now.